What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we are doing a playback. Today's actually Sunday, August 8th, and yeah, we're gonna be doing this playback. Let's get right into this day. Take a look at that screen. Let's go. You. Oh, whoa. Hello. Let's turn on some nice lights. Let's get some yellow. Some blue. Some greens. Alright, bunch of yellows, greens, and one white over there. Alright, it looks like it was overall downtrend, so non-obvious buy here. About to get into a trade here. Might be a double bottom actually. Alright, well, this one's a tough one because you don't have a bottoming pattern, but it is that like wanting to form a U shape. Taking this on the swing high for a century. Now we got like this push low, like this M. Trend could be down. I'll say it's down. Or maybe it's up. Looks like it was up. It's a non-obvious sell there. Oh wait, we still can take it. Or were we right? I'm curious to see. Pretty sure we were. Let's see what happens. I would say it was an overall downtrend because there's not enough support, but we did have to test out once. Oh, you were right. Stick with the strat. The strat works. This might be a full loss. Yep. Jump it right below there. No way. Yeah, I didn't think so. It's hard to decipher in those situations because, well, technically, if we did bounce, yeah, I missed that completely. Oh boy. The reason I put it there is because it's a good chance if it comes right back to here, it's just gonna keep going. Nice. Did bounce off that. And so overall uptrend. Looks like there's a spill on this trend. Now we created a new trend. Looks like we broke that as well. This could be in us, possibly. We do get a bounce here. This might be pushing it, but it feels like two decent measured moves here. The buy would be right here in the trade right now. Alright, we're in this trade. Decent push. Yeah, we'll just leave that stop there. That's a great minimization, nonetheless. Also playing chess. There you go. Come on. Alright, looks like we did have a break of this, so the buy was the correct option here. Looks like this move was just a tad bit too big. Second move here, if it stayed a little bit smaller, like in this area, and bounced here, I think that would have been a good sell. But the fact that we kind of just kept pushing and it was just a little bit too big. Yeah. Looks like it was just overall downtrend. Go for that buy. Let's double check. Yep, looks like it. Let's see. I don't think there's enough support here, but possibly. At first I thought it should be a sell here. But it might be enough support. Plus that really strong green bar to make people think we're correcting this entire move. It's like also the first sign of support. Let's see. Nope, that was definitely a sell. So that was definitely a lot of support. World trend is up, go for that sell. Oh, I just realized we got it. Swing high first entry. I mean, wait, what just happened? I don't know what just happened. Oh, we tried to enter the swing low first entry, second entry. Try to go for a non-obvious buy here. I think we could actually still take it, but we did. Might have bounced off of this guy right here. Like that, a little tighter. You can kind of see that. Yeah, like that. So it should be a buy right here. Technically, let's go for it. Let's see if we could get in this trade. Alright, definitely not a buy. So this is a no-no. A little bit, not too big. It's a little bit more congested than it is test. got lucky with that one for sure. Could be an uptrend here. Rising congestion uptrend, so go for a sell on a swing low first entry. I don't know, brother. Could just be all bad setups. Everyone trend was up, apparently. I was trying to figure that out. Like, where's the trend line? There is one. Could have been it, but it seems kind of pushy. This could have been it, but that would be it. So actually we're going for a sell here. The reason being, let's see if we could get in this trade. Alright, we're in that trade. Nice. The reason we went for a sell is because you have this high and this resistance and you break above it. That would create the overall trend up. Breakout traders. Let's go. I was gonna trade as overall downtrend, but you have a resistance, so once you break it, that's gonna create an urgency that people really want to correct this thing, and you broke above that high, people think it's gonna skyrocket, and go for that sell. That was a great trade. We gotta write that down. Okay, kind of worded it a little bit weird, but overall idea is there. Traders using sub/slash resistance. Is it not good? In this case it wasn't good. Was it a breakout? Yes. Overall trend is yeah. I should add, do they have a reason to go that way? Do they have a reason to go that way? Alright, in this case it was that spike. So spike, correction. Alright, swing high first entry. It looks like overall trend could potentially be up since we did break out with that resistance. So we could possibly go for a sell here, maybe. Let's give it a shot. Buy would be in the trade, and the buy was the correct thing to do. So overall trend was down. You did have a little bit more evidence on that side, so yeah. So if you correct a big chunk of it, then yeah. Ooh, I tried to go for the buy, but it looks like that was incorrect here. Looks like that was actual support, and it looks like it too. You can kind of see it. Maybe even the volume there, just the amount of trading that was going on here, and the people who went long or even short probably took profit in that lower area as well. So that's gonna make a lot of trading going on here, making that level of support where a lot of trades happened, and you actually want to continue that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Man, look at that, we got stopped up by the tick. I know it's a sell, I feel like. Pretty sure it's a sell. Oh, that could be it. I'll say it is. Alright. I'm trying to figure out the trend. This may be pushing it. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Probably is. The odd high was only tested twice there, yeah. So, definitely not that. Don't force those trends unless it lines up really well. In this case, it does not. Oh wait, here it does, but you kind of have a break already. Excuse me. Whoa, I accidentally got into this trade. I don't know, I wasn't looking at the screen. I think we were trying to sell. Oh, buy here? Somewhere here? Oh, but we bounce here, so non-obvious sell would have been good right here. And this like double bottom sort of thing. Like at this point right here. It looks pretty good. Non-obvious sell. Good trade. And yeah. Didn't even realize it's 11 o'clock in this day. Alright, peace out.